Additionally, folks don't already have it, I'm pasting the link to the meeting doc in the chat. Please just add yourself there as attending if I didn't already catch it. So the first thing I had on the agenda today, and feel free to add anything to the list as well if you had something specific you wanted to talk about. So PRs list in detail because there's I think something like 15 updated issues and PRs in there because DIMS did a great job this last week or so of going through our backlog of items that have been languishing and doing an awful lot of triage, which was great. So our issue and PR backlog's looking much better than it did. In terms of Kubernetes 1.9, he did also tag or put forward a couple of items for that. The query there won't actually show anything anymore. And the reason for that is that all three of the items that were previously in the open state have actually merged. So that's great as well. So that is the three items listed here in the doc. So fixing the unit tests that need OpenStack, adding the service UID into the security group name, and supporting volume v3 for the OpenStack cloud provider. I believe all of those PRs went into the merge state in the last 2 days or so, which is good. The one other thing that I had put on the agenda, so KubeCon planning, there is an Etherpad there from discussion with the OpenStack Foundation folks, and Chris and I attended that on, I think it was Monday, as well as a number of other folks. So there's a few things there. I've pasted the Etherpad in the Zoom chat as well. If you're attending KubeCon, so there's a bid staffing schedule. They are looking for volunteers for the OpenStack Foundation booth. There's some collateral in terms of some case studies for people who are running Kube and OpenStack, various other things. And the notes from that discussion are all in that Etherpad for anyone interested. We do have, again, the community update session on the Thursday in the schedule, for which Chris and I will be doing a slide-based presentation. If you had something that you wanted to highlight to the broader K8S community around OpenStack and Kubernetes, we're open to suggestions because we are looking for content to fill that slot. And then probably, I would argue more importantly, we have a deep dive session on the Friday where we have 80 minutes of high bandwidth time as a group. There is an Etherpad for that as well. If folks are attending KubeCon and planning to attend that session, it'd be great if you could just throw your name in there to help us when trying to plan the agenda, and also any topics that you would like to discuss in that session as well on the Etherpad. So that was a lot of me talking, so I'll just pause for a second if anyone has questions or other things they would like to discuss. Rob, I see you on the line. Do you have anything from a cross cloud provider point of view at the moment?
No, nothing at the moment.
All right, cool. All right, well, if no one has any other issues, that will make it one of the quickest meetings in history. I think the one thing I would say, just to highlight to folks, so DIMS obviously went through and handled the 1.9 stuff right now. I think it would probably be a good time to be thinking about, though, what do we want in the next release and what do we want to propose in the next release so that we're a little more on top of that next time around. So if you have particular features or things you would like to propose, let's start discussing those sooner rather than later. Other than that, I guess everyone have a good day.
You too.
All right, thanks all.